Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to show you that how we can remove the duplicate elements from an array, okay, by using reduce method. So here you can see that I have taken const arr, okay, and I am adding some elements into it, and so I mean that is from 1 to 5, and again it is repeated with with the same element, okay. So I'm going to remove the duplicate element and preserve only the unique one. So let's see how I can do it, okay. So let me just write it here. I'm just taking another const that will be result, okay. So we just have to take care with using we have to do it with using reduce method. So here is the syntax of it. So the first will be accumulator, and the second will be the current value, and I am using federo function, and I am assuming that you are aware of it. So we can also take this empty array also as an accumulator to push all the value into it to get the result or the output, okay. So here I am using if condition, if accumulator dot includes current, okay. So I am just going to push it in the accumulator, the current value of it, okay, and I am just returning the result, sorry, accumulator of it, okay, to get the output, okay. So here I am checking that if accumulator is not includes the current value, then the current value should be pushed under the accumulator. Sorry, it will be ACC, that is accumulator, okay. So it can be push the current value of that in the accumulator and return the accumulator itself, okay. So here I am just consoling the result of it, okay. So let me check. So here you can see that we got the unique elements from an array. So I hope this session or this video will be beneficial for you. So thank you so much.